Alakkaro is supported by the Federal Ministry of Economic Cooperation and Development, Government of Germany, under the development partnership with private sector, the DEVELOP program. The first phase of Alakkaro was a bit scattered in terms of there were condominiums, there were some kind of commercial establishments. Though it was very successful in terms of making people aware and also changing their behavior to segregate their waste in 3 different fractions, and it even went beyond where people started composting within their own premises. But in the second phase, it was rethought and redesigned to be aligned with the national ministry's interest, which is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, for a Atmanirbhar ward. Under Alakkaro project, the endeavor is that a ward becomes Atmanirbhar in terms of its waste management operations, so that anything and any waste that is generated at the ward level does not go to the landfill. And that's what the core objective of Alakkaro is, to first make people aware within the ward to segregate the waste in 3 fractions, but also build capacities of waste collectors to take this waste in a segregated manner to the waste processing unit, so that maximum value can be derived from this waste, either in form of turning wet waste into composting or into biogas or recycling the dry waste.
If you look at the waste management sector, there are primarily 2 issues which are there. One is inadequate facilities when it comes to collection, segregation and recycling. And the second important factor is that there is lack of segregation practices at source. With that vision, we came together with Coca-Cola and GIZ, who have similar visions as ours, and onboarded Sahas, the NGO, who's got enough experience and expertise in this field, to come up with Alakkaro campaign.
Our journey in India on this topic started in 2017 when we started the Alakkaro project. Project Alakkaro is actually focusing on improving the consumers' awareness about the importance of segregation at source, because that is one of the key enablers to ensure recyclability of the materials.
Phase 2 of Alakkaro program was looked at the ward level intervention. Ward 32 in Gurugram was chosen for this initiative. If you look at the ward, it has independent plotted colonies, high-rise apartments, market, commercial establishment, which means a diverse group of stakeholders that the ward has.
कोई सेग्रीगेशन नहीं कर रहा था, सबका मन आता था कूड़ा उठा उठा के डंप करके गार्बेज वाले को दे दिया, गार्बेज वाला गया। अब वो बेचारे पढ़े लिखे नहीं है, उनको सेग्रीगेशन का मतलब नहीं पता, उन्हें इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं पता है, तो वो क्या करते थे, वहीं से वो वैसे ही लेके चले गए और वहीं पे आपका लैंडफिल बढ़ता गया। We were struggling because लोगों की ईगोज, लोगों की प्रॉब्लम्स, लोगों की मैं थैली नहीं ला सकते, हम ये नहीं कर सकते, सेग्रीगेशन वाज उनको आफत लगती थी।
जब हम लोग यहाँ पे RWA में आए थे, तो यहाँ का जो फॉर्मर एजेंसी है वो बड़ा ही अजीबोगरीब तरीके से मिक्सिंग करके गार्बेज इकट्ठा कर रहा था। जब ये बात हमने सोचा तो हमारे सामने में हमारे वार्ड 32 के अंतर्गत साहस NGO का ख्याल आया। फिर हमने साहस NGO के साथ में मिलके ये एक अभियान चलाया कि आप अपना कूड़ा, ड्राई वेस्ट और वेट वेस्ट अलग अलग करके रखें।
Frankly speaking, the kind of programs that Sahas through the Alakkaro activity brought to us, they were really effective in very quickly conducting workshops for the residents. So there was the broadening the awareness component that the Alakkaro program brought for us.
The way they have come forward, be it at any time, any day, they were there to ensure that all kind of activities which are engaging, which are really interactive, they were carried out here.
So when we started off with the ward level intervention, we were looking at 5 pillars, if I can call them. One is for the community, to bring in the behavior change in the community. Second, we talk about building capacities of the various stakeholders, exactly what is their role and what is their responsibility. Third is seeing that a great collection system is in place where the waste is collected every single day and it is collected in a fixed timing so that people are used to giving their waste regularly. The fourth is the processing of waste, how much waste is recovered, so that information needs to come across all stakeholders. And the fifth is that IT tool that brings in accountability for all stakeholders.
This tool was developed to measure, track and bring efficiency in the waste collection process.
This tool basically has two advantages. First, it is picture and color based, so it is easy for the waste collectors to track the monitoring basically at a segregation level. Second, this tool has reduced the time for the waste collectors to basically to bring the efficiency at the waste collection.
घर से जब आता हूँ ना, गली में आता हूँ, आके फिर मेरा आईडी स्कीम करता हूँ, वो लोग को पता चलता है कि हम लोग आ गया। उसके बाद तो घर घर जाके कूड़ा उठाता हूँ, करके फिर सबका घर का कूड़ा उठा के लास्ट में एक फिर स्कीम मिलता है, उसको हम लोग क्लिक करता हूँ, क्लिक करके जो आता है हम लोग कॉस्टमेंट में चिप मारता हूँ, वो लोग को पता चलता है कि गीला सूखा अलग आ रहा है।
Every day they come, even if they don't come, they inform us that my the vehicle is not working properly, so today we will not come, please keep the waste properly, we will come next day. So that kind of communication gap has improved. So now every day they comes and collect on a regular basis, so that way you will not find any kind of waste throwing on the road or any open area after Sahas. The work that Sahas is doing is not only for one generation, but it's for the entire environment, for the entire art, for your entire generation, for the kids' generation. So they will also learn, okay, we have to segregate the waste, and this is how we have to keep our environment neat and clean.
There are a few critical things that we have implemented. One is regular training for the housekeeping staff and for the house helps, because we know this is a transient population, they keep changing. So we are going to be doing this on a regular basis.
प्लास्टिक हो गया, मेटल हो गया, पेपर हो गया, ठीक है, या फिर साबुत ग्लास हो गया, ये सारी चीज़ें आपकी किस में आती हैं? ड्राई वेस्ट में आती हैं।
जब से अलग करो प्रोग्राम आया है तो ट्रेनिंग में मेरे को सिखाया कि गीला कूड़ा और सूखा कूड़ा सब दे रहे हैं, गीला कूड़ा और सूखा कूड़ा अलग अलग, गत्ता अलग मिलने लगा, प्लास्टिक अलग मिलने लगी, बोतल अलग मिलने लगी, इसलिए आमदनी उनकी और ज़्यादा बढ़ती गई है।
हम लोगों ने 3 डस्टबिन बनाए हैं, गीला कूड़ा, सूखा कूड़ा, हानिकारक कूड़ा।
In terms of providing dustbins clearly labeled at different places, conveniently placed for them, creating flow charts and infographics that was easy even for a uneducated person to understand simply by looking at the infographic.
पहले जैसे मिल जाता था जी मैम, तो उसमें से जैसे सारे कुछ कांच भी मिलता था उसके अंदर, उसमें भी हाथ कट जाता, टाइम भी खराब हो जाता था। अभी जैसे अलग अलग हो रहा है, इसमें जैसे आपका 2 घंटे लगता था, इसमें 1 घंटे में काम हो रहा है।
पहले हमारा सोर्स सेग्रीगेशन 13 से 15% था। बाद में जब ये प्रोग्राम लॉन्च हुआ उसके बाद जो आपने इम्प्रूवमेंट आई वो 80 to 85% तक इम्प्रूव हो गया था। जो हमारा सोर्स सेग्रीगेशन काफ़ी अच्छा हो गया था, प्लस में ओपन डंपिंग ख़त्म हो गई थी, और जितनी अवेयरनेस थी लोगों में जो बिन्स रखने में, पहले 1 bin 2 bin का कॉन्सेप्ट था, आप लोगों ने 3 bin इंट्रोड्यूस किया।
Sahas and Alag Karo team approached with us the biogas plant. Then we दोनों ने collaborate करके when the biogas system which is right here.
Now very many people are doing home composting, and there are, as you have seen, several points in our colony where there is mini community composting going. So we have miles to go, but I think we are on the road to becoming a zero waste colony.
इनके आने से ही आज हमारा है कि हम 98% तक पहुंच गए हैं वेस्ट सेग्रीगेशन में।
मेन मोटिव ये रहता है कि बंधवाड़ी पे लोड कम रहे, और वार्ड 32 से जो वेस्ट जाता था बंधवाड़ी में वो रिड्यूस हुआ। रिड्यूस आपने वेट वेस्ट को कंपोस्टिंग में किया, ड्राई वेस्ट को सेग्रीगेट किया, आपका जो हमारा सेंटर है उन पे आप लोगों ने अच्छा काम किया, तो आपके प्रोग्राम के तहत हम वेस्ट को रिड्यूस कर पाए और यहीं पे प्रोसेस कर पाए।
So this is the setup which actually handles close to 2 ton of wet waste per day, which is getting composted on daily basis.
हमारा जो 3.5 टन कूड़ा डेली निकल रहा है गीला और सूखा मिला करके, हम उसका निस्तारण अपनी सोसाइटी के अंदर ही करते हैं।
To provide solutions to the independent plotted colonies, we have also enabled setting up 3 decentralized units in the ward, which includes composting system and a dry waste collection center. Technical guidance and infrastructural support are also provided to this facility through our project to improve waste recovery and sorting efficiency of the workers.
Ward level intervention was extensive IC activities, be it developing or designing IC materials or doing community engagement activities ranging from street arts, wall art, nukkad natak, blog runs, art exhibitions. But out of all this, we designed a very interactive initiative which was door-to-door compost distribution, which we named as Thela Mela. The objective of Thela Mela was to incentivize people who were already segregating their waste at source, as well as motivating the people who were lacking a bit behind in doing so. While doing this over a period of 6 months, what we could see was a sense of ownership was being developed inside the community, wherein everybody started segregating their waste at source.
अलग करो हर दिन 3 बिन।
पूरे 1 महीने में 45 टन कूड़ा हम जो है ना बंधवारी पे भेजने से बचाते हैं।
Very minimal that goes from our condominium to landfills, and that feels like a huge win in terms of our service for the environment.
I'm sure that soon we will be able to achieve that 100% goal.
We are very proud to have partnered with GIZ, Sahas and Tetra Pak.
I've seen is that there's no litter, the households manage a very good hygienic practices, and there's a high level of awareness about effective segregation of waste at source.